think we're good. Are we straight? I think we're straight. Didn't expose anything, right? I hope not. Nah. I think we're straight. What's up, guys? What's up, Tay? What's up, Julian? What's up, Jocko? I think I'm ready to make some fucking money today. Like yesterday, break even. Again, we're flipping this account. I'm thinking sells today, guys. I mean, again, that doesn't mean buys won't end up taking place, but I'm feeling sells for some reason. Um, Again, we have until London Open. I don't think we have any news that we need to worry about. No. But we do have Asia highs unswept, which again, maybe we can find some buys into that area. Maybe a break of like this area here, depending on how these next couple minutes go. But yeah, I think sells are better. What's up, Casper? How we doing? What's up, everyone? Thinking sells are better. We can also target this daily low from yesterday. We are pretty overextended on both UK 100 and DAX. UK 100 is looking pretty good as far as like structure. So if we're looking at structure here, we have come in to facilitate this pullback. We are looking to possibly shoot higher, but when we come down to even lower time frames, you can see we have this bullish leg to the upside where price did break structure. I'm expecting price to possibly pull back a little bit further into these discount levels. If price were to remain bullish from there, then okay, we're already in and out of our trade after these sells. But again, it would just be a quick 101 get out. Price could end up dumping still or going back up. So same thing for DAX. I mean, relatively the same. So we see this bullish leg here, expecting to pull back a little bit deeper into discount levels. And again, it doesn't matter if it goes up or down from there as long as we can get that 101 and get out. All right. Looking at a GA trade right now. I was gonna say I missed one last night. I don't want to say that because it was like an okay setup. It was actually really good. The one thing is I wish price would have swept liquidity here. We had some beautiful structure here, and you may think, okay, why so high within this range that we're playing within? But price still facilitated that pullback. We got that pullback into the equilibrium. Again, that's all price needs to do. We see price change structure, right? And then create some liquidity right before it comes back into the zone, which is beautiful. And that was a beautiful trade. So I'm looking to continue to play off this leg. One thing that you do have to be aware of is we're still within this bearish range here. But because looking at the weekly, we've already come into an area of discount. I'm thinking price should push bullish, but there's a chance that we get stuck and we're still within an internal pullback and we get caught on the reversal back down. But again, like it just comes down to what price shows me. Maybe I wait for price to come down and then give me further confirmation, but we'll see. We'll see. I think I'll probably end up just shooting. But again, it depends on when price plays out because going into Friday, I really don't want to be sitting through a trade. If maybe I'm fine with that. It depends how like Sunday, Monday look as far as news. Bank holiday Monday, that's fucked. Yeah, so I probably wouldn't want to enter GA right now. But I have a feeling it is gonna come into the area. What are you guys doing though? Like how's life going? What you guys do today? You guys work out? You guys do something productive? Tell me you did, hopefully. Y'all should be putting in that motherfucking work. Again, same thing for DAX, same concept of expecting price to pull back a little bit deeper. We also have some other things that like it's giving me further conviction, again, imbalance. Some areas of demand that price could pull into. Also seeing that we had yesterday's lows here. Just came back from the gym. Hell yeah, I did too. It's my second session. You guys understand, I literally trade and hit the gym. That's all I do. Hit the gym twice a day. And I hit 2 hours of cardio or 1 hour each session and then just like a workout. Hell yeah, I'd say. There's not a lot to do besides workout. I mean, I go out, but I'm just like grinding right now, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm hoping to get a setup. I'm liking DAX a little bit more. I'm gonna be honest with you. So if we see that push down, we're shooting for that 101. As of right now, again, stops would be at this high, but as price creeps down, we can adjust accordingly, and that really just depends on how these candles print. Because if we have the next couple candles print and leave a gap or an area of imbalance, because I know the market tends to pull back into those areas to fill them in before continuing to push down, I would leave stops pretty high. But if price filled in all imbalances and wicked in all areas of inefficient price before coming down, then we can really play a tight stop loss at the last candle before London open. But it really all just depends. It just depends. Oh my god. It's loud as fuck. What are you guys looking at right now? Should we check gold? Even though I hate gold with a passion. Okay, I don't hate it with a passion, but I'm just not a fan of it. Okay, it dropped for a bit, then went back up again. Like, that's why I say like gold just not my thing. I was in a call earlier with some of my students, and we were talking about gold and how it just has mind of its own. Like, honestly, I hate reading structure on gold because I just feel like it does what it wants. And at the end of the day, I think if you're to trade gold, it comes down to lower time frames and just really looking for like pushes of volume and like manipulation of other session highs and lows and daily highs and lows. To our extent, yeah. Whoever pointed out that NASDAQ and gold seem to correlate, I've actually like kind of noticed. It may not be to the T, but general direction. Gold is crazy. Yeah, fuck gold. All my students hate gold. No, I'm kidding. Tay loves gold. Don't solo. That's not good. It's popping, guys. Just trade opposite. What you think will happen? Exactly. Honestly, yeah. If you took that approach to gold, you'd probably like actually make some really good money. Nah, that's fucked. During times of volume, you could enter buys on one and sells on the other, and probably hit 9 times out of 10. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Yeah, someone pointed that out the other day, and I was like, and there's another view in here talking shit on him, but honestly, like he actually like was onto something. I mean, especially when he told me like it really came from data and like actual backtesting. Again, like if you can find something and figure something out through data and backtesting, by all means continue to use it to your advantage, especially if it's working, you know, even when people talk shit, because there was someone else talking shit on him. It's like, damn. Why is price moving so slow? Like, what the fuck's going on? This is not okay. I would like to see like if London Open came, swept these highs. See, I don't even think I'm gonna go for buys here, just because I have such a strong feeling that price is gonna end up pushing up with volume, sweeping highs, and then possibly dropping back down. Oh yeah, it is Friday, guys. Fridays have been what kind of shift for us, right? If I remember correctly. Same thing for UK100, guys. Like, I really think price is going to come sweep these highs. I mean, it could come sweep these highs. I really don't think price is going to go any higher. If it does and I'm wrong, like, I'll give away a funded account. Swear to God. We'll do a giveaway. If I'm wrong. If I'm wrong. I don't know how to do that giveaway shit that Luca does in his Discord. I gotta set that up in my Discord. It'll incentivize people to join mine. But um what I'll do is, like, if I'm wrong, guys, we'll I'll like write down a number on a piece of paper at the end. You guys can chat about and spam, and whoever says the number first, I'll just DM you or whatever and give you an account. But we'll see if that even happens. I know I'm gonna be right, and then we'll make some money, and then I'll get off, and then see you guys next week. I always like putting this in there, guys. If you guys want to join my Discord, 100% free. Just like pretty cool community. About hit 300 people, which is absolutely amazing. I may end up doing something. But that is my Discord. Did we hit 300? We may have. We may have hit 300. We'll see. I gotta do something cool for 500 people. Because I'll definitely hit it by the end of the year, but slow, slow, slow. 4 more minutes, guys. We'll see what happens. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. GA kind of looks good for sells, like if you were to capitalize on just like this minor pullback here and see equilibrium. But the one thing I don't like is, like, structure wise, I would have want to see us break this low, and we didn't. We like just whipped it. And again, like, you may say, like, why not this structure? Because this is the last low that led to the actual, this last break of structure. All this in here is just like sideways movement, and then we have liquidation of these highs. Which again, like, I mean, you could use this minor break of structure, but I don't think it's strong enough to where like price could just end up continuing to go higher. But there seems to be a pretty nice supply here, that you could look to take like some type of pullback into this area. Because I do think price does have potential of coming down into this POI and shooting up from there, but we'll see. All right, guys. Price is coming down. Looks like no funded account. We'll probably do like a $10,000 one. We'll see. 25, who knows? Whatever I send you. Because we still got some funded accounts to give away at the end of this challenge, guys. So don't forget about that. I think Luca gave one away too, right? I think he did. I mean, if volume steps in here and just completely sells off, guys, I'm probably looking to buy. I mean, sorry, fucking sell. Don't listen to me. I would like to see a little bit better of like liquidity sweep, but can't ask for everything, you know. I'm liking DAX a little bit more, especially because we have like a tighter, what is it, support? I always mix them up. But I'm really expecting this during London Open. Really am. Again, not looking for buys, guys. If you guys want that, by all means, go for it. But again, we might get that minor push up to Asia highs and then play back down or continue to play up from there. But sells are looking better in my eyes right now. A little bit more conviction towards that side. So bank holiday Monday, I don't think we can trade. Yeah, we can't trade Monday. Wait a minute. That's also like if we just liquidated this high too, that'd be good. Like this high right here, because we did create some form of structure when we broke these candle lows here with the body candle. So like liquidating this high, and if price were to just tank off from here, would also be pretty fucking awesome, because I would consider that somewhat of a decent sweep liquidity. Again, it could have been a better area, but wow. UK 100 took off, guys. So again, if price just continues to buy, and it's continuing to buy as I get off, we'll give away an account. But see what happens. UK 100 does move a lot more. Please fix a delay. Jocko, I keep forgetting. I talked to Luca today and I'm just like, I keep forgetting. But yeah, the delay's bad. I don't know how to fix it. I'll look up a video right now with you guys. After this trade, we'll look up a video together. And we'll figure that shit out. So I'm sorry. But you guys, just for everyone, just so you know, if price sells off with some pretty good volume, breaks this area, I'm selling for a 1-to-1. All right. Stops are yet to be determined, but you heard my analysis on how I really kind of determine that. So this is a better sweep liquidity. Yeah, guys, like I don't know how Luca like does it. I really did not see any setting when I was scheduling the live. There's nothing that tells me for delay. Oh no, I may owe you guys a funded account. That suck. Nah, it wouldn't suck, but I just wanted to end with a bang, not with a no trade, you know. But again, like I'm obviously going balls to the walls when it comes to risk. But I guess there's no reason to rush a trade. I mean, we're just chilling. $72.99.71. No, Jacko, you can't start yet. Stop playing. All those numbers are invalid. You're 280. Nah. Let's wait until I like price definitely takes off. Again, like price may come up and just sweep Asia highs. Oh shit. Sweep Asia highs here and sell off. Again, that's a big area of liquidity. Like I'm expecting manipulation of this area. And then from there I feel like that could really fuel a push back down. But we'll see, guys. It's only 3 minutes in, so it did it, LOL. It did what? I told you, Chaco, I told you it has to take off. Like it has to be like 30 minutes in and like price is already making higher highs, this and that. Because I told you guys, like it's gonna liquidate, it's gonna come down. We're gonna catch a banger. If not, don't worry. You guys get an account. Get an account. I need to start doing what my data shows me. Would have a TP1 with a 20-point stop. Yeah, man. Again, like go based off data. Like don't just go what I'm saying. Like I said, buys still looked solid in some cases. Like you could have bought out maybe at the break of this area here. To me, I would have liked this area, and like this would have been like my position right now, aiming for this, which is like a little bit less than a 1-to-1. But again, Asia highs are pretty strong point where I do think price is going to end up pushing up a little bit higher, maybe in this next 5 minutes, sweeping that, and then you can possibly could have capitalized just on that minor move. Price could continue to buy up, but quite often it's going to sell off and look for some other form of liquidity, which would be like daily lows, right? So especially if we came up and swept yesterday's high. Thoughts on GU? Let's peep it. Let's probably get off my phone. It's like gonna die. GU. Not a fan of GU, but looking at the 4-hour, I think price is definitely bullish, but at some point we're gonna start to look for a pullback of like this overall bullish move, but price could continue to trend higher, so you could continue to like capitalize on like some type of buy scenario, which I'm not really seeing much. I'd want to see price continue higher, then maybe look for buys. But if price continues higher here and breaks structure, you could look for like a 5-minute pullback into some type of discount pricing. Because then from there, it doesn't matter if price goes up or down as long as you capitalize on that pullback. You know what I'm saying? Do we sweep Asia? What in the... I hate when this shit does this. Got me fucked up. Whoa. Lord knows. Of course. Go in. I go Forex. That's why I like having multiple pairs, guys. It's just sometimes like one pair is chopped and with your overall bias on UJ. Let's peep it. Let's peep it. I was actually going over that earlier with mentor students. I think we're talking about it's in a pretty chopped area right now where it's like also a waiting game because we're playing within this 4-hour leg here. All right, if we go up to the daily though, like we're not seeing much. We're actually still, yeah, we're still technically within this bullish leg on the daily, and like we're facilitating this pullback, but like price is pretty bearish to where you may expect price to continue to go bearish on the daily at least. But looking at the 4-hour, we facilitated that pullback coming down to lower time frames. We're still in a bearish like leg right here. We're still within this bearish leg. So personally, I would want to wait for price either break higher, capitalize on a pullback, or for price to break lower and capitalize on a pullback. Because either way, if price are to break to either side, it's going to have a pullback, and it doesn't really matter what higher time frame does because you're really just playing off the lower time frame breaks, lower time frame like pullbacks. I mean, buys could end up going good again off that 4-hour, continue higher. The weekly time frame, like we could continue this bullish move, but we could also break down. So, but again, like if you're just playing the lower time frames, you don't really need to worry too much about the higher time frames, but they can help and give you like further conviction to take a trade or where to take a trade into, or again, I mean, I guess it does help. So. Waiting. Slow. Friday, typical fucking Friday. Again, in both cases, DAX would have been better, but you'd be about to hit that 101 if you got in a perfect entry. Oh, you would already hit it. Or stops actually be down here. You'd already about to hit it. Again, guys, we'll give it some time. I'm expecting a liquidation and a push down. If we don't get that, we don't get that. Then coming into next week, we know, okay, maybe we hop into buys next time, but whatever. I don't mind. I wish I could play music so bad, guys. So bad. 27 you in here, you guys should like up the stream. Just saying. Just saying. Did anyone catch these buys? I'm curious because again, like DAX, pretty good setup, pretty good 101. I'd say that's if you took it at this break, but if you took it at this break, I think you're still not there yet. Yeah, you'd have to run it a bit higher than Asia. Guys, I may owe you an account. Chaco's gonna start spamming numbers again. Now, how about this? I'm not 100% sure if you guys know if price continues higher. I'll give you an account. No, Jacko, don't start with your bullshit. Give me a second. All right, so I still think price is going to liquidate these highs and sell off. Even if we have to wait here 30, 45 minutes, I might be willing to do that. Again, we missed the first initial move, and maybe we should have taken these buys and just capitalized on a quick little breakout here, but again, don't want to jump the gun. So I'm going to write a random number between 1 and 100. Okay. I don't want you guys to spam yet because we don't know if it's going to happen yet, but wrote it down so you guys know. Write it down. I'll leave it there. So we'll see. That number will stay the same, and then at the end, we'll see if we have you guys spam numbers. And I got to figure out how to do like the giveaway shit that Luca does. It's pretty cool. Jacko called out every number. I know. I know he did. Nah, the one thing I don't like is I'm gonna have to wait here for a while. Especially if like price does actually reverse. I mean, if price just takes off, then I'm out here. And I'll give you guys an account. Just log off. See you guys next week, of course. Use the same bot as Luca. How do I do it though? I don't know how to do like the exclamation point because I've never used it. Pretty sure you type in a command. I'm not wrong. Think I did it, guys. Oh fuck, I can't be like showing you guys this shit. Hold on. All right. All right. I got it ready for us, at least. So fuck the number, Jocko. Fuck your numbers, Jocko. What bot? What are you talking about, Xander? What do you mean now? We're gonna end up using it. Pretty sure this is it. This is his giveaway bot. Liquidation. Could be here for a while, so hope you guys are ready to stick around, but same bot, but you're using it wrong. How am I using it wrong? Nah, I think I got it. Yeah, so right at the end, I'll put like a minute or 2 minute timer. You guys gotta hop in the Discord, spam it. Yeah, I think that's the window I just showed you, right? I think so. Yeah. Yes, sir. I got it. I got it. Yeah, so I'll give it guys a couple minutes near the end. But again, we'll see. Price is clearly having a reaction right after we took that liquidity. Right after. So told you guys. SWWW. J did not facilitate that entire pullback into here, but we are getting a pretty bearish candle. Sorry, something. But honestly, like, I hate waiting. Should have just hopped in these buys, guys. Could have locked off and been out right now. Nah, there ain't nothing to do on a what? Thursday night. Appreciate all 23 of you sticking around. You're all fucking champs. That's what you guys are. I swear my house is fucking haunted. Looks like price is gonna continue higher, guys. We'll give it about 10 more minutes. If price continues to print, do they count giveaway? Get off. Should I have to pick the winner? Or if I end up doing it. We'll see. Jumping the gun here, guys. I think I'm just jonesing to get off, to be honest. Again, no trade day. Better than a losing day. If you guys were able, we'd love it to continue. Cheer up, bro. Yeah. I just now gotta get some stuff done. I'm low-key beat from today. It's pretty busy, so. But again, like price is slowing down pretty heavily here. We may just end up getting a pullback and then price continues higher. But if you're able to catch this DAX move, beautiful. You're probably still not at a 1-to-1 yet. If you were to enter at this break, which I probably would have only entered there, especially being like we had all these other forms of resistance here. That was just beautiful. Actually didn't see that until now, but even then Tokyo highs was not that far off unless you got in, or I guess unless you put stops down here. But even then, you'd probably have 1-on by now. Yeah. Slow week, guys. Was it 1-1 this week? Yeah. Slow week. Wow. Maybe I'll jump out the markets a little bit different next week. You know, Jocko, you're not winning this account. Anyone can win except for Jocko. Jocko is prohibited from winning an account, guys. He's prohibited. I'm a late piece of trash. Yeah, cartoony, you're late as fuck. Might as well just leave, dude. Might as well just leave. No, I'm just kidding. We're just chilling, bro. Might do an account giveaway, so we'll see. We have a little bet on the line. Basically saying if I was wrong on the overall daily bias, or at least session bias, as far as direction, over a 30-minute period, I guess we could say, then I'll give out an account. And plus, it's also because it's a slow week. It was a slow week, guys. 1-1 as far as, or 1-1-1, sorry. So I wasn't too slow, but that break even, that news kind of did fuck with us, but it kept us from taking an unnecessary loss. So it is what it is. Jocko, shut your mouth. But again, I think next week will go even harder. You guys might see me hopefully in Dago with Luca doing some challenges, maybe making some content, and coming live together for you guys. That'd be pretty cool. Because I know you guys missed Luca on the London lives. See if we can get him on. So looks like we're pushing, guys. I think I was wrong. I was wrong on the daily bias. Maybe we should have gotten buys. Who knows? Jocko, shut your mouth. You're not getting not even one. Did TP get half the news tomorrow? Huh? What do you mean under? Like yesterday? Yesterday's trade? Yesterday's trade, we ended up getting out break even and it continues to sell off. Where's it at? Right here. So it was a good move to get out of break even. Got out of break even and price just dumped. Just dumped. It eventually did come back up, but I mean way later. So yeah. All right, guys, I think I owe you an account. Again, maybe could have, I'm gonna back test this going into tomorrow. Again, all data is good data, so just seeing this area after the fact could have been good buys, especially knowing that we had Asia highs to target, and we tend to see price manipulate that. So again, it's fine. A little bit of data, nothing wrong with that. Let's do a little giveaway for you guys. Again, I'm a man of my words. How many minutes should we do? 5 minutes? What in the fuck? Prize 10K funded account. Again, guys, there'll be more to come as we continue to trade. Oh fuck. Do I have to give it 10 minutes? I do, huh? Motherfucker. Are you fucking kidding me? What is going on here? Do I have to like type it all out like that? Fuck, finally. All right, guys, go into the NLT Discord. Let me send it out to you guys if you guys don't have it. Oh, fuck. Sometimes I forget I'm on live and I'd be like showing shit when I probably shouldn't. Time to go down. Guys, it may come down. If it goes down, I give away a free... Wow. Never mind. We're not giving away account. Price coming down. Yep. Jocko, talk all your shit now, guys. We'll still do the giveaway. End of the week, slow week, guys. I'm not gonna apologize for a slow week. Again, that's just how the markets are. We may still end up staying on for this next 10 minutes. Again, join the Discord. Go over here to the giveaway bot. You just press that little. Oh, let me pull it over here. All you do is you come over to the NLT Discord, come down to general. There's a giveaway section. You press that. If you can't see it, all you do is you right click over here on the channel and you press show all channels. Sometimes it's checked off. Make sure that's on for you guys if you guys didn't know that. And then all you do is just press this little box here, this little gift. And this gift, you have 9 minutes to do it. You press this gift, it'll pick someone randomly and we'll see who wins the 10K account. If they're not here, you leave. If you're Jocko, you're not going to win. Again, you have to be here. Fuck, Jer. Do 2 minutes? Nah, it's fine. 10 minutes is fine, guys. I can't, like, do it earlier, huh? Fuck. Like, I can't speed it up. I guess I gotta sit on here with you guys for 10 minutes. I'm just kidding. I'd love to. Again, and like up the stream, guys. Like it up. Price probably is going to take off for a little bit. I do think price is going to come down at some point. Price is going to come back down at some point, but like I said, give you guys a 30-minute period as far as like where price is going to go as far as direction. We did miss those buys. It is what it is. Again, maybe next week we'll look to capitalize on moves like this where even though it's a very small minor move up into this area where sells look better, again, we still had a nice little area that broke out here. So oops. Definitely data, guys. Everything's data. 10 minutes is lifetime. Should I redo it? There's already 5 people that did it. You know, it's like there's only 5 people that did the Discord thing. I want to know how many motherfucking people are sitting here watching, just stalking from my Instagram. I wish I knew that. I wish I could see who's watching my shit right now. TJ. Yeah, it's PPJ. Nah, no people be stalking, people be watching. Same thing with UJ. Like, if I need to see price either break lower here and then capitalize on a pullback or break higher. As of right now, I really wouldn't be looking for anything. But yeah, like if anything sells, I feel like the way price is looking, price is going to continue to sell if you found like some type of entry. So why DAX do all that and UK 100 is doing all this? No. Again, guys, go enter in this Discord for a free funded account giveaway. It's only 5 of you. Again, we need more people. The less likely Jocko can win, the better. Because yeah, we don't want him to win today. So again, if you guys want to win an account, go to the NLT Discord. I posted the Discord link in the chat. Yeah, whatever. But if you guys don't want it, then yeah, the Jared trade, guys, it did look pretty crisp here. It did look pretty crisp. Again, don't want to say I'm mad I missed it, but yeah, definitely like But again, we'll come back next week. We'll go crazy. We're gonna flip this motherfucking account to $1,000, maybe a little bit more. Again, if we start getting up there in like the $500-600 where we can really do a little bit more margin, we're just going balls to the wall and just like really just not giving a fuck and just honestly, Jocko, I'm a little bit pressed too because these were some good buys, guys. These were some really good buys, and yeah, I didn't lose shit. So W trade, but again, like just looking back on it, 2 tunnel visioned on sales, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, just again totally transparent. We had a liquidation of this low, again beautiful. We had price push up and break a very nice area of resistance. Fucking bread and butter. Jocko Hunter says not getting an account. If it says Jocko won, we're redoing it, guys. We're redoing it. I'm telling you, Jocko's not winning today. If I didn't win, Jocko's not winning. I'm kidding. Nah. But how much time do we got left on that thing? Probably like 5 minutes, huh? Fuck. 5 more minutes. Give it some time. Be patient, guys. We already know where price is going. At least on DAX, you came 100 me. Stutter here. Everything else is kind of looking chopped. Chopped. You're laughing, Xander, but I'm dead serious. Jocko's not winning an account today. But only 6 people. I mean, if only 6 people want it, that's totally fine, guys. Totally fine. If you're confused on how to get to here, just ask. And can you still have 4 minutes to enter? Nick is not a scam. He would never do such an awful thing. What, like, purposely make sure that you don't win? Yeah, I would never. I would never. Now, how pressed would you guys be if, like, it said Jocko won, I just ended stream? Just didn't say anything else. Came back next week like nothing happened. Only if Jocko won, though. If anyone else, I'd be like, all right, DM me, I'll shoot you an account. Sup, Tay? Glad you're still here. All right, guys. Again, like I said, even though DAX did buy up pretty well here, I'm expecting prices to sell off. Even if we're looking just like overall structure, we did come into an area of interest. We did previously break some lows that were pretty strong lows. So if we're just looking based off that, again, it's an indice at the end of the day, so it's not necessarily going to play exactly like Forex would, but I'm still expecting prices to sell off at some point, guys. Like if UK 100 continues to sell here, we could end up getting some type of nice little push down. The one thing is like this area of, it's just not the best area here. The longer we wait, the bigger the Drake. Good saying, my guy. Oh, 10 people now. How the fuck did it take? Damn. Took y'all that long? All right, guys. We'll see in a couple minutes who's the winner. I'll just let it play out, let it pick the winner. And if you guys do end up winning, what we'll end up doing is I'll just like drop my Instagram or something in the chat. Just shoot me a DM with your information, like basically just your email. One, let me know that you won. Actually, DM me through Discord. Fuck the bullshit. DM me through Discord so I know it's actually you. I'll type in like chat room or something, or again, you can just look me up. My name's Nix. Or again, just go into announcements. You guys see my name here. Shoot me a message. Just tell me that you won, and then I'll shoot that account over to whoever that may be, except Jocko. Except Jocko. Jocko, just don't DM me. Not Jocko is trying his hardest. Nah, guys, I gotta be fair. If Jocko wins, maybe we'll give it to him. I'll let you guys decide. All right, let's see. If Jocko ends up winning the poll, I'll put a poll in the YouTube chat. Either yes, he gets it, or no, he doesn't. And you guys decide. I feel like that's all fair. That's all fair. We'll bully Jocko today. Next stream, we'll bully like Tay or Xander or Cartoony or something. But I think that's all fair. All right, 10 seconds. I'm kind of hoping it's Jocko now because it's going to be a little bit more entertaining if it's Jocko, right? Who is it? Hoodman TJ. Fuck, I wanted it to be Jocko. I really did. I really did. All right, guy. My man, just shoot me a DM again. Just go to announcements. You'll see my name. It's just NiicksFX. Shoot me a quick DM. What in the fuck are you guys sending it? Oh my. Dude, this thing needs to be banned. Oh, okay, it looked way worse than what it was. Oh my gosh. Congrats, Hood. Yeah, congrats, my guy. Shoot me that message. Again, like sometimes like I want you to shoot it right now because it sits in my message request and I don't see him sometimes. So much pressure taken off Nick's shoulders now. Yeah. Dude, I wanted you to win, Jocko. I really did. I really did, dude. Now, you guys can't tell me that that shit in Discord looked absolutely wild at first. Oh my gosh. Maybe I just have a dirty mind, but that shit did not look okay at first. I was about to ban the dude. Where's my Discord link? Let me send it out to you. That's my Discord if you want to join up that. Again, the Hoodman JT, DM me, shoot me a message request. Hopefully you're still here. Hopefully you're still here, but Hoodman JT, you won. So again, I mean, I could reach out to you. Nah, you reach out to me. You reach out to me. Again, you know my name, NiicksFX. Nah, it's just your mind. Xander, it might be. All right, guys. We'll end on that note. You guys are all amazing. I appreciate every single one of you, all the likes. Sorry that we didn't catch those buys today. Again, tunnel vision on the sells. I'm not going to be, I'm not going to front. I'm going to be totally transparent. We'll come back a lot stronger next week. Again, still basically at break even, 1 and 1 and 1. So if he ain't here, he ain't winning. We'll give him some time to shoot me a message. If anything, I'll shoot him a message later on. But we'll see. Again, Hoodman JT, shoot me a message. Appreciate all you guys. You guys are amazing. Even the people that didn't chat and just sit there and watch. But you're still amazing. All right, later, guys. See you next week.